Hey, what's up everyone? This is Silver Slayer. Thank you for tuning into this video. Gold and silver are up, and away. Are we about to see $2,000 gold? Is this a possibility? Right now it's up $28 in the day at $1,674. Silver up 30 cents. Are we going to see $19 silver? $18.88 right now. Things are looking very bullish. The coronavirus called COVID-19 is definitely affecting things. That's what this article from Kitco is talking about. It's starting off to say that gold and silver prices are sharply up at 7-year highs amid coronavirus pandemic fears. The link to this article will be in the description. I am holding a giveaway right now, so if you want a chance to win some silver, make sure you go check out the video I posted yesterday. Free silver, who wouldn't want it? Make sure you smash this like button. Let's see if this video can get 100 likes. I know we can do it. I know each and every one of you can hit that like button. I know you want to. I know you're going to. Thanks. I appreciate it so much. But with that said, I'm feeling so good right now. Precious metals are rallying. Things are going good right now. Let's jump into this article and let's see what's up with the world of precious metals. Gold and silver prices are solidly higher in early U.S. futures trading Monday, but off of their overnight highs as the coronavirus pandemic has traders and investors worldwide unnerved and seeking out safe haven metals. So, precious metals, once again, seen as the safe haven investment. Anytime there's geopolitical fear, economic uncertainty, people are going towards gold and silver as their little safe home. It's their safe haven. The negative effects of the coronavirus outbreak on the global economy appear to be increasing. And this is true. I mean, it's slowing down economic growth, import and exported goods. I think there's 17 million people in quarantine in China. So you can see how much it's the second largest economy for, importing and exporting. And you can see how that would slow things down to a very big halt. But anyways, April gold futures hit a new contract high overnight and were last up $30 an ounce at $1,678. March COMEX silver prices were last up 15 cents at $18.68 an ounce, and right now it's sitting at $18.78. So it's still going up, and away. Markets worldwide are getting rocked by a marked increase over the weekend in trader and investor fears amid the still growing coronavirus outbreak. Gold is up around $40 an ounce at 7-year highs. U.S. Treasuries are rallying sharply. The U.S. dollar index is up, which is interesting because usually when the dollar index is up, gold and silver is down, but we're seeing them both go up together right now, which is very interesting. Crude oil prices are sharply down, and much of the rest of the raw commodity sector is feeling the selling pressure. Asian and European shares were last down overnight. U.S. stock indexes are pointed towards sharply lower openings when the New York day session begins, with the DJIA down over 700 points. So, stocks are definitely going to be getting hurt by this as the money from stock markets are going into precious metals. You see how this works? You see the patterns now. While the human toll for the coronavirus or COVID-19 is growing, the likely economic toll is also expanding. What is gripping markets is the keen uncertainty of how the situation will eventually play out. There is no consensus at all regarding the outcome, and that's what people are wondering. How is this going to end? If they can't get a grip on it, how massive is this going to spread? Was China just the starting point, and is it going to come all the way across the world? I mean, there's reports in Washington that people had it, so it already is lingering its way, but to what extent is this going to happen, or how big is this thing going to really be if we can't get the upper hand on it? That's what people are worried about. That's why stocks are falling and precious metals are rising. That safe haven investment when they don't trust governments, when they don't trust banks, which they shouldn't anyways, but it usually takes stuff like this to really give it that spark or that pull. So, China's recorded the total number of afflicted at over 77,000 and 2,350 dead. The illness is also spreading in South Korea. Northern Italy has some towns quarantined after the COVID-19 illness was discovered spreading in that region, including 3 deaths. So manufacturing indexes from the major world economies are showing the negative effects on the COVID-19 outbreak. U.S. companies are also mentioning the illness as impacting their bottom lines when earning reports released. So it's even affecting all the way across the globe. It's even affecting our earnings, our I guess effectiveness, or how much production we're making. The global marketplace has quickly realized this early this year and the keen importance of China's economy in the world supply chain, which has significantly been disrupted. See, this is really breaking things up. Everything was fitting together like a puzzle to some extent. Imagine one of those puzzle pieces being out of place, and now you're trying to put together this thing, and it's just not working. It's just slowed everything. It shut everything down. Everything is off pace, off balance. So that's what's interesting right now, and that's why things are getting, that's why things are so severe, and that's why it's affecting, we're seeing the rippling effect, the after effects. It's like an earthquake or a tornado or something. You see the after effects. That's what we're seeing right now, and people are still wondering, where this is going to lead. It could get worse. So, the key outside markets today see crude oil prices sharply lower and trading around $51.40 a barrel. Meantime, the U.S. dollar index is higher and not far below last week's nearly 3-year high. U.S. economic data due for release Monday includes the Chicago Fed National Activity Index and the Texas Manufacturing Outlook Survey. So you can see gold and silver, huge spikes. This is good stuff right now. This is really what is going to be the meat and potatoes of where people are going to be trading, whether you're buying, selling, trading, or holding. This is what really does matter. The charts, we can theorize all we want. We can draw our assumptions, but the charts show the actual data, the actual information. So once we can start to incorporate both of those together, that's when you can more accurately get what's going on. So let's check out these support and resistance levels. So technically, the gold bulls have the strong overall near-term technical advantage to suggest still more upside in the near term. So it's still going to keep going higher, people. The 3.5-month-old price uptrend is in place on the daily bar chart. Bull's next upside price objective is to produce a close in April futures above solid resistance at $1,700. Bear's next near-term downside price objective is pushing futures prices below solid technical support at $1,620. First resistance is seen at the overnight high of $1,691 and then at $1,700. First support seen at $1,670 and then at $1,660. So, Wyckoff's market rating 9.0. So, silver futures bulls have the overall near-term technical advantage, hit a 6-week high overnight. Silver Bull's next upside price objective is to produce a closing price above solid technical resistance at the January high of $18.89. So are we going to pass that? Are we going to pass that last high? The next downside price breakout objective for bears is closing prices below solid technical support at $18. First resistance is seen at $18.89 and then $19. So we're going to see a lot of resistance around that price range right there. Next up, and if it breaks past that, if it breaks past $19, the sky is the limit. Not even exaggerating. Who knows where it can go, especially given the gold to silver ratio, which needs to be more corrected. Needs to be more balanced, sitting at 89-1, or I don't know what it's at right now with these crazy prices, but it's still extremely high, still extremely exaggerated. So, next support is seen at the overnight low of $18.55 and then at $18.50. Wyckoff's market rating 7.0. So, very, very interesting stuff. COVID-19 is definitely disrupting the globe, disrupting not only stock markets, not only, precious metals, not only cryptocurrency, but it's affecting economic growth, production, production value, production cost. 17 million quarantined, more people dying. Where is this thing going to lead? That is what people are wondering. That is where That's the big question, and that's what's going to drive people crazy, because they're going to catastrophize. They're going to say this is going to be the wipe of the human extinction, the wipes people out. They're going to catastrophize and make it much more worse, not trying to downplay the severity of it, but people do usually have a more catastrophic mind and try to go towards the darker side, which in return is going to affect how they invest their money, which is definitely going to be for the worse. So, anyways, right now we see gold at $1,674, up $31 on the day. Silver at $18.81, up 36 cents on the day. Platinum, $966, down $7 on the day. And palladium, $2,498, down $116 on the day. And I think platinum and palladium always go red when gold and silver go green, is because that's people transferring their money out of platinum and palladium into gold and silver, trying to catch that dollar or chase that dollar. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to smash the like button. Let's see if this video can get 100 likes. Also, make sure you subscribe if you're new. And if you want to enter my giveaway, make sure you check out the video I posted yesterday. Who wouldn't want free silver? I definitely would. So anyways, thanks so much. What do you think about gold hitting 7-year highs? What do you think about silver hitting multi-week highs? Where do you think prices are going to go? I'd love to hear your comments in the comment section below. This was Silver Slayer. See you guys soon. Peace.